So here is the introduction of the elasticity. Elasticity refers to the relative responsiveness of a demand or supply curve in relation to any of its determinants. In other words, we can say that elasticity measures the responsiveness of one variable, the dependent variable, to a change in other variable, the independent variable. It can be compared roughly by the slope of demand curve using the steepness of or flatness of the demand or supply curve.
Question 1. If Emma's initial price was $50 and she sold 150 items, then she would make $7,500. Emma increased her price to $60, which caused the demand to decrease to 100 items a month, then she would instead make $6,000. Were she to reduce her initial price to $40, then she would increase her quantity demand to 180 items a month. By increasing the cost, her customers were unable to afford as many items. By decreasing the cost, more customers were able to afford more of her items. For one Roman question, based on your calculation, determine whether the demand for this item is price elastic or inelastic. So we will use the price elasticity formula, which is Q1 minus Q0 over Q0 times P0 over P1 minus P0. When the price increased from $50 to $60, the elasticity value is 1.67, which is elastic. Then, when the price decreased from $50 to $40, the elasticity value is 1, which is also elastic. For the third Roman question, explain the implication of the price elasticity value for Emma's boutique in terms of pricing strategies and revenue generation. The demand for this item is elastic because the value is larger than 1. A change in the price of the goods causes a bigger percentage change in the quantity demand. If the quantity for the goods is elastic, an increase in price reduce total revenue and decrease in price increase total revenue. In this situation, when the price is $50, the total revenue is $7,500. When the price increased to $60, the total revenue decreased to $6,000. When the price decreased to $40, the total revenue is $7,200.
Question 2. Income elasticity analysis for Emma boutique clothing item. As you can see the table, we have income level, low, moderate, high and very high. Price per item, $50 for all of them, for all of the level. And the quantity demand for low is 100 items, moderate 150 items, high 180 items, and very high 200 items. The revenue, low $5,000, moderate $7,500, high $9,000, very high $10,000. 1 Roman. Calculate the income elasticity of demand for Emma boutique clothing items by comparing the quantity demand at the low income level with the moderate income level. Interpret whether the goods are normal or inferior based on the calculate income elasticity. Roman 2. Based on the income elasticity result, classify Emma boutique clothing items into different types of goods: normal, inferior, luxury. Provide reasoning for your classification considering the relationship between change in income and the quantity demand. Okay, let's move to the answer for 1 Roman. QD0 equal to 100, QD1 equal to 150, Y0 equal to 5,000, and Y1 equal to 7,500. Okay, we just need to put the info into the formula. 150 minus 100 divide 100 times 5,000 divide 7,500 minus 5,000. The answer is 1. As you can see, it's a elastic income, a rise income by 1% will lead to an increase in quantity demand for goods by 1%. The goods are normal because of an increased income leads to increase the quantity demand. To ramen. Based on this calculation, they are normal goods. Emma boutique clothing have a positive income elasticity of demand, where a change in demand and a change in income move in the same direction. When the income increase, the demand also increase. Question 3. The following table lists the cross-price elasticities of demand for several goods, where the percent quantity change in measure for the first good of the pair and the percent price change in measure for the second good. Goods. Air conditioning unit and kilowatts of electricity. The cross price is negative 0.34, Coke and Pepsi 0.63. High fuel consuming sport utility vehicles negative 0.28, McDonald's burger and Burger King burgers 0.82, butter and margarine 1.54. One Raman, explain the sign of each of the cross-price elasticity. What does it imply about the relationship between the two goods in question? Two Raman, compare the absolute value of the cross-price elasticity and explain their magnitude. For example, why is the cross-price elasticity of McDonald's burger and Burger King burgers less than the cross-price elasticity of butter and margarine? Okay, this is the answer for one ramen. Goods like air conditioning unit and kilowatts of electricity has a negative cross-price elasticity of demand, which is negative 0.34. Same goes to high fuel consuming sport utility vehicles, negative 0.28. This shows that both goods are complementary goods. Meanwhile, Coke and Pepsi 0.63, McDonald's burger and Burger King's burger 0.82, and butter and margarine 1.54 had a positive cross-price elasticity of demand. It shows that three of them are substitute goods. Okay, for true ramen, the absolute value of the cross-price elasticity measures the sensitivity of demand between two goods. A higher cross-price elasticity indicates a stronger relationship between the two goods. So, the cross-price elasticity for butter and margarine is higher than the cross-price elasticity for McDonald's burger and Burger King's burger, indicating a stronger relationship between butter and margarine. In addition, the cross elasticity for butter and margarine is substitute goods than McDonald's burger and Burger King's because of the increase in demand, the price also will be rise.
So next is the question 4. Consider a scenario in the market for a specific brand of laptops. The price of a laptops increases from $800 to $900, leading a manufacturer to increase its quantity supply from 1,500 units to 1,800 units. First Roman, calculate the price elasticity of supply.
Q1 minus Q0 divide Q0 times P0 divide P1 minus P0. So the calculation is 1800 minus 1500 divide 1500 times 800 divide 900 minus 800. So the answer is 1.6. It is elastic supply.
So the second Roman is in the context of the laptop market scenario. Discuss how technological advancements contribute to the elasticity or inelasticity of supply in the electronics industry. Based on the laptop market, the technological advancements play a big role in the electronic industry, which is when the new technology was developed, it can make the production process more efficiently and it can increase the supply of electronics with minimized reduced time and resources. Moreover, the increments of the technology level will make the price of quantity supply be more elastic. However, it is more easier to the technology advancements to entry into a market because of the greater number of firms will be available to get into the market, and the price will be more elastic.